Hello everyone, this is potentially going to be a quick video, but I might, I'm not really sure how long this video is going to go, and I don't even know if I'm going to win the car. I'll go into the car after if I win it. So we've got coming up a 2011 Lounge, and it's Cat S, but the damage appears to be a wing, but it doesn't look too bad. So I'm just going to go and see if I can get myself a bargain, and then we'll take it from there. It's at Westbury. It is on reserve, so that'll be interesting. I'm not planning on bidding too high on this one because I've already got one coming. So yeah, at the moment we are fairly well, there's not that many bidding, so let's have a look. Only 1,000 people watching it. It's in black. Oh, come on. 900. Someone will probably bid shortly. Right at the end. Nothing yet. Oh, okay. So, sold on approval. But what have we possibly, emphasis on the word possibly, won? So let's have a look. It's going to be under my bids. Awaiting seller response. So if you don't know about Copart, that was on reserve. They wanted a particular price for it, and now it's gone to the seller, whoever the seller might be. So it could be an insurance company, it could be a garage, or anything. I don't suspect, looking at the windscreen, that it's a person like me that's just got rid of their Fiat 500. It's got an F on the windscreen, which normally indicates it's not a customer. But anyway, so we've got to wait to see what they come back with. They will come back with a higher bid. They want more money, and they will come back, and I will say, nope, take it, 900, take it or leave it. With fees, probably looking at about 1,200. Anyway, I am going to document the video because I just want... so there, right, incidentally, clicking on the car, they want 1,350 for it. So they are 450 out from what they want. I think they'll go in about 1,200. But anyway, I'm not going to bore you with that. Let's just see what they come back with at the end. And this is the car. So it's a 2011, and it's had some impact here to the passenger side. Now, normally these wings crumple quite easily, and that looks like that door there is completely fine, and it potentially here, roughly here, just under where the bonnet goes, is actually the wing itself, the inner wing, and then this part here is not too bad. So I wonder, or I hope maybe, that this might actually be fine, and it really might be a Cat S. I can't see any other damage to it. So this side here, we've got absolutely no issues at all. No problems on the back, just need a rear chrome toe eye cover, but otherwise that looks all right. That is the side here, and as you can see, it's not too bad. Interior wise, it's the usual Lounge colour. This grey sort of check thing needs clearing up. black trim, and we have one key which is, let me just put that in hide, one remote key which is hanging there. So it's the 1.2. Nothing else appears to be an issue there. Everything looks fine on the dash. And then again, we just look here. This is the area that's been highlighted. I've seen worse, but until you get that off, not going to be 100% sure, but I've seen worse. But it looks to be, the mounting points appear to be not too bad. And then we've got what appears to be something going on here. Not sure what, but yeah, until the car's clean, yeah. So, I think that's just the roof, and then for some unknown reason, the gear stick. So that is the car. It's in black. I've already found a wing for it, which I can pick up for about 60, 70 quid delivered. It's from Westbury. And yeah, it's just a case of waiting to see what the seller wants to come back with. So, wish me luck. We will cut to, in a minute, to when the seller comes back, and then whether or not we manage to obtain the car or not. Right, okay, so we have had a counter offer come in on the email. So it was on reserve for $1,350 and I won it for $900. So let's review it. So they've dropped it by £25. So they're now offering the car to me for $1,325. So let's keep with the current bid. And yeah, I'll come back to you when they've worked out what they want to do with the car. So we are now, well, nearly 7:30 in the evening, and approximately an hour ago got the email to say that they have finally, I say finally, it's only been the afternoon, accepted my bid of $900, that I wasn't going to pay any more for it, and reluctantly sold it to me, I'd imagine, because they wanted $1,325 for $900. And with fees, we are £1,192.80. So, okay, that's from Westbury. So I'm in the process of trying to arrange a delivery. I tend to run checks with Anyvan, Shipley, a supplier who's previously delivered from Westbury before, and Copart themselves. So I'm just waiting to hear back from that. At the moment, while Shipley I tend to allow at least 24 hours for bids to come in, Anyvan is quite competitive, and Shipley's about £100 off at the moment. They want 260 odd quid at the moment, so they're off. Anyvan wants about 167, and the transport guy that I normally use wants 170 because he's moved, so it's slightly added some more journey time to him. So Copart, although Copart are slightly more expensive, but not by much, we're talking maybe about 180 after they've, jiggled out their fees and everything. It's about 180 odd pounds. What that means is that they'll deliver the car, and I won't accrue any holding fees or anything like that. So I don't know, we're bank holiday Monday and everything. I think the car will need to be moved by Wednesday. So if I can't get the car moved by Wednesday or so, they start to add fees. But if you go through Copart, then they don't add fees for storage. And I'm in no particular rush to get the car, so I'm thinking Copart might be the answer. But anyway, that is the video on the car that's due to turn up at some point in May for a total of, before transport, £1,192.80. So thank you all for watching. Hit the like button if you think you've got, or think I've got, a good deal, and put your comments below, and if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll catch up with you all very, very soon.